So we've written this code in .NET, but it's a little too much code to see. Every time we have to write the system, Windows, forms, every time we have to write the same namespace again and again and again, it can be a bit tiresome. Well, Microsoft has thought of it, and for that it added something called a using statement. At the beginning of my file, I can say using, and then the namespace that I want, in this case system, Windows, forms, and then I don't have to write this. You see, it actually grayed it out. It means that it's implicit that this is the namespace that we're using, and it's redundant. So I can remove this text from here, and I can remove this text from here, and now we have a lot shorter code. So by adding the using statement to the top of my file, we were able to remove those namespaces from the code within our classes. And if now we actually want to know from which namespace it comes from, we can hover over it and we can see the full namespace described in the tooltip. So we can get that information, but we just don't have to write it again and again. So let's review the change. We can see here that we cut this piece of the code and we cut that piece of the code, and now our code is shorter and easier.